When children learn about map or road navigation, they develop spatial skills which help them to understand and be more observant with their surroundings. Having map skills allows them to visualize the location of an object and even relate countries, places, or cities together. There are several ways to practice spatial awareness. Here is one way. Letters home hand. Before we start, you will need to prepare a word and write the letters separately on a small note to let your child solve it by the end of this hunt. On the back of each note, write down clues to the next location. For instance, go to the door and turn left and then walk 2 steps forward. After which, decide and place the alphabet in selected locations in the house. Let's start! Step 1. Draw a simple map of your house, just like this. Step 2. Mark a spot on the map where you hit the first secret note. Step 3. Allow your child to identify where the marked spot is and go to it for the first note. Step 4. After getting the first note, allow your child to work on the clue to find the location of the next note. You can guide your child with the steps, training spatial listening skills at the same time. Step 5. Every time your child reaches the location, give hints on the position of the note. For instance, the note is on the top right second shelf. Once they have collected all the alphabets, get him to piece the alphabets together and form the word. For younger children, do guide them by numbering the different notes for an easier problem-solving process. For older children, do include more letters and more locations to let them practice on their spatial skills. Once your child gets the word right, reward your child with something that they love. As a whole, this small activity helps to train your child to be confident in problem solving for everyday life while strengthening visual spatial skills.